Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a photo on a video in Capcut. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to open the Capcut on your platform that you wanted to use with. For example, if you wanted to open that on the mobile device, just open and use a template, or if you want, just open the project that you wanted. All right, in my case, I'm going to be opening a simple project. And again, you can start a new project by clicking this small blue button here. All right, do with that. Now, once you open the project, you can select from your own local directory or go to the library for Capcut and choose from any of the following. For example, I'm going to be choosing this one right here. Okay, so if you're happy with this video, you might want to click the add button. Once added, you see, try to play the video through. It runs around 17 seconds. And if you wanted to add a photo, you see the plus button here on the timeline. All I have to do is click the plus sign and then select the photo that you wanted to add. In my case, I'm going to be adding this. All right, so want to make sure that the photo is correct and then click the add button. Now, what will happen is when you play through the video, you can sort of move the photo on the slider right here. Right, so if you play through, you would notice that the photo is added on the timeline. Now, another option is click the overlay section on the bottom part of your screen. All right, and click the add overlay. What will happen is it will ask again to ask if you wanted to add more videos or photos. What we're going to do is to add the same photo that we have earlier. Now, in this section, well, you see that we have overlaid the photo on top of the video, right? And again, you can see add a photo here. And you have now the photo which you can resize accordingly and move it around in the interface. If you click on play through, you would notice that the photo has been added to your video. It's very easy, really. Okay, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.